Today we're cooking up a true Jamaican comfort plate. I made tender, juicy fricassee chicken, simmer down in rich gravy paired with creamy pasta salad, classic rice and peas, and some perfectly fried plantain on the side. Let's make it. Add in the red kidney beans, coconut milk, ginger, garlic, and pimento seed, salt, salt, boil for 10 to 8 minutes or follow the instruction on the package, okay? Mayo, vinegar, onion, bell pepper, celery, carrot, sweet relish, sugar, black pepper, mix well. Nice and creamy. Straight into the fridge. Time to season the chicken. Pimento marinade. See? All right, we're gonna mix this in. Add your washed rice. Some all-purpose seasoning. Add in some garlic. The oil is hot, I'm gonna add the chicken. Take out some of the excess oil out the pot. Leave a little bit to fry up the seasonings. Fresh tomatoes. bell pepper, garlic, ginger, add in some water, add back the chicken. Ooh. Pimento berries, scallion, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper. You could cut yours if you want it hot and spicy. Some carrot. You can also put some potatoes into this if you want to, but I'm just gonna stick with the carrots, okay? Feel free to go ahead and put some potatoes. Cover for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Also got some fried plantain on the side. Smell magnificent. The smell is amazing. Look at the juices. Beautiful. Don't forget the pepper. You don't want that bust in our pot. Now we're just gonna fluff up our rice. Oh my goodness. Look at the rice, Moya. We always do it good. Right, my foodies? We always get the rice good. Nice and fluffy. Look at that. Moist. Now it's time to plate this up. All done. Let's plate this up. Let's go ahead and do a taste test. Never gets old. Rice and pizza. The rice and pizza, do what for do. Do exactly what for do. Chicken and rice and peas. The chicken seasoned right down to the bone. I didn't have to chew too long to find it. As I put it in my mouth, I taste the flavor. Even Jesus Christ the Savior knows that the plate are bad from Jamaica. It's nice, man. It's nice. Backside, I forgot to go to some. I'm gonna tell me, man. I forgot to get him. I'm gonna cuss out my backside, not you? And now cuss me out. And now wanna cuss me out, because I can't bother. Take some food and chicken like this, and I can take the rest of the plate, alright? So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. You know, as usual, tell me what you had for Sunday dinner today, or what drink did you have it with? What was the drink that you have it with today, with your Sunday dinner? Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys. Happy Sunday.